The inspector we hired did not tell us about some pretty big problems with our house, like a bad roof and the heating and air conditioning unit. Is he at all financially responsible for misleading us on the condition of the house? This is from Christina, and I'm guessing misleading might be a key word in that question tonight. What are your thoughts about that? The inspector said this house is good to go, and that just wasn't the case.
So like so many questions that we as attorneys may get, and I'm sure Matt's well aware of this and has dealt with them before, it's a loaded question. There's a lot at play there, and it's not as simple as just yes or no. It's kind of all about facts and circumstances. That's not a big part of my practice area, but from what I know of the process, most of the time a home inspector is going to have you sign a contract when you hire them. That contract is usually going to have an exculpatory clause in there that says, hey, if we miss something, our liability is limited to whatever you paid us.
And even the most honest home inspector in the world, one with a lot of training, can look at an air conditioning unit, make it run, and go, this thing is golden. It could blow up the next day.
Yeah, and
due
absolutely.
to no fault of his, so it'd be kind of hard to prove anyway.
Right.
The roof might be a little more interesting if you can show, look, I didn't climb up there. I'm old, I'm not climbing up there. But he said it was fine, and it's obviously not fine. That could be different.
Especially in talking about misleading, or if he just didn't climb up there, period.
Look.
You know, yeah, exactly. So if he didn't look, there'd be negligence theories out there you might could sue him under and find some liability. Maybe breach a contract. If he was supposed to look at things that was covered in the contract, he didn't look at them. At the end of the day, I think you probably battle, if he's got some clause in there that limits his liability, you might have a problem there, but you just never know without having a good lawyer on your hands.